dreams.
Hi everyone! Welcome back for the vlog! Yeah! It's our 15th anniversary BPI-AIA. I just want to share the story at ang mga kaganapan for tonight. Very demure, very fresh, very masisikip.
Very tight.
Very tight. Ayan.
Saan PICC ba tayo? PICC Complex. Yung pinaka may gate. Facebook, no?
Ay, sino pa ba hindi sasama sa ito? Share.
Kailangan ba bang i-memorize yan?
Tatawa.
Breast cancer din ba dyan? Ano ba nakalagay sa oras? Alas 3 talaga. 3.
Parang naganda na ako sa sa ano. Bago din yung contact lens. Mamaya na.
Kasi ito kasi yung maganda eh. Yung doon kasi, ano yun, parang tent siya. Yung mga na seminar ng mga...
Hi, madam. Hi everyone! Welcome back for the vlog! Yeah! It's our 15th anniversary BPI-AIA. I just want to share the story at ang mga kaganapan for tonight. Hala, pa! Kota ka, sino ka dyan? Ito tayo today. Babaihan.
In just 3 years.
Sasabihin nyo, oo nga. Devoting a quarter of a century to helping our organization grow, evolve, and thrive, her dedication and impact.
Sa mga kapatid,
umalis siya sa Pasig kanina, alas 3. Nasa Rosario
gutom na ang mga bakla. Gutom China mga badeng. Tagal ng lafa. kayo sa tono.
What representatives of BPI and AIA here, we're very honored today to come together to celebrate this special night, a significant milestone that marks 15 years of close and very productive partnership. For a decade and a half, this BPI-AIA relationship has been a cornerstone of our commitment to serving the BPI customers and their families with innovative and practical financial and health solutions that can protect individuals and their families while enriching their lives and securing their future. This journey has been successful through our shared values, unwavering support,
Pinakamaganda naming manager.
which has BPI-AIA as the #1 bank in the Philippines. To all of
Siya
our
pala ulit.
PSEs,
Yung nagtatanong.
bank partners,
Check one.
and RMs who work ever so collaboratively with us, maraming salamat for all of the work that you do every day in the branches, reaching out to protect every Filipino family. We have 5 more weeks to go to the end of 2024, and let's make the #1 ranking for BPI-AIA solid and undisputed. So todo napito, everyone. And I ask you to continue to ramp up our outreach to reach out to more customers to sell them the gift of protection for this Thanksgiving.
Celebrate your personal milestone.
Pang ano yan? Pang workshop.
Sa bawat yugto ng buhay, may wasto at may mali. Sa bawat likhang tala, hamon at pagsubok ang nasa gitna. Sa mundong magawa, may kanya-kanyang dalubin. At sa bawat dinalaw, ay may ulat na lagi sa tinig na katanaw. Tahimik na daigdig ng pili at bingig na babalot ang katahimikan.
Parang hindi. Baka bawal ibahin. Baka bawal ibahin. Pipil ko iba yan. Iba.
Walang pipit bingi yung dating.
Oo. Sabay lang yun eh.
Wala.
paligid. Di walang hanggan. Kulay ng mundo sa'yo'y pinagkaitan. Huwag mabahala, kaibigan. Silang kang mangganyan. Isang bulag sa kamunduhan. Ligtas ka sa kasalanan. Lalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Makita di marinig, minsa'y nauulan. Patungo sa hinangat na buhay na banda.
for all of you. We are BPI AIA. We are one team with one dream, and we believe in better. We believe in better relationships and partnership. Believe, inform, and empower. Remember, the love you make is equal to the love that you take. So let love abound among us as we strive for better years to come. My name is Karen Custodia. I am BPI AIA. You are BPI AIA. We are BPI AIA. Cheers, everyone!
So, tapos na po yung party namin for today. So, tapos na po yung party namin for tonight.